How to fix Gmail file download problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail file download problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here just type Gmail and click on it, and now just scroll down until you find here permissions, and then check this one storage. You will find it like that. Just allow it, and then click force stop, and now click clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then storage. Now click clean up and clean some space here, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.